Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off all email notifications on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here, now click settings and now click notifications, click by email and here you will find turn off all. Just click on it and click here. That's it, it will be turned off. That's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.